No robes for this judge, tats on his arms, his courtroom staff in jeans, city prosecutors as well. It's a room upstairs at the Wiegand Center. The sign says it all, homeless court. The throngs of homeless here don't usually like judges. In some cases they hate them, but everyone here knows the man they call Baxter.
He fights for us. A lot of people look down. He's more encouraging. He doesn't frown upon you. Everybody has problems, but he's always there to help.
They call him the shelter priest. They do. And he's a really great judge. And if he were to ever leave, we're going to miss him, you know. He's awesome.
He's a really good guy. He really wants to help the community get better.
Well, I don't know if they love me or not, and I'll take them at their word for that. But what I try to do is I try to treat them with dignity and respect.
That's the whole point. These people aren't used to being treated with dignity, especially in court. They get cited for things like public intoxication. They don't show up for court. Warrants are issued. They keep piling up, so they're afraid to apply for services like housing.
Now, I'm going to take your warrants back no matter what your decision is today. You got warrants, I'm taking those warrants back.
And he does it with compassion. Dustin had several warrants. He needed them pulled so he could find permanent housing this weekend.
Warrants pulled on both of them. Jen, you want to show him where on there it says that so that he can show that to his landlord?
Thank you.
Okay. How you doing, Mike?
Oh, good. How about you?
I'm good, thanks.
Or Michael, who has several warrants. He's in treatment now. Talked to the judge about the cat he loves who goes everywhere with him, and the judge understood.
If you say guilty to that reduced charge, I'm going to look for 5 hours of community service or treatment. You want to do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or bring the cat to visit, one of the two. Okay.
Or Antoinette, lots of warrants. She broke down in court, was offered Kleenex, and after her warrants were removed...
Thank you. Good luck to you.
When court ended, Antoinette waited for the judge to give him a hug. He means so much to these people.
Once the warrants are dealt with, then the perception is set aside and they can begin to progress to access case management services, housing services, workforce services, whatever it is that is necessary to move them from down here on Rio Grande Street to some other place.
And the judge moved on, leaving his homeless friends for another 2 weeks.
I think he's an incredibly cool dude.